Ang nakaraan sa Pinoy Big Brother Season 2.
Tayong dalawa lang ang nakakaalam na nakakaintindi ka at nakakapagsalita ng Filipino. Pero sa susunod na mga araw, kailangang manatili ang paniniwala ng mga housemates na hindi ka nakakapagsalita at nakakaintindi ng Filipino.
Schnell? Nein.
Matapos ang 5 araw na pagpapanggap, nagtagumpay si Mickey.
Dahil matagumpay mong na isagawa ang iyong secret task, ay bibigyan kita ng pagkakataon na maipakita ang galing mo sa pagsasayaw.
March 24 na ibinigay na ni Kuya ang oras kay Mickey para makapag-ensayo kasama ang mga babaeng housemates. Matapos ang 9 na araw na paghahanda, oras na para sa inaabangang showcase ni Mickey.
Go, Mickey! What a forma!
Mamaya, pagkatapos ninyong mag-perform at magsayaw, agad kayong lalabas ng activity area. Kasama ninyong palalabasin ang iba pang mga housemates maliban kay Mickey. Housemates, kumanda na.
Behind your back, so turn around and I'll pick up the slack. Then no one makes me feel this way. Go ahead, be gone with it. 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 Sexy love. Go ahead, be gone with it. Sexy love. Go ahead, be gone with it. Sexy love. Go ahead, be gone with it. I'm bringing sexy back. The motherfuckers don't know how to act. Don't let them make up for the things you like. Gotta get it fast. I'll let you with me. No one makes me feel this way.
It's still yours, it's still yours.
Go ahead, be gone with it. Go ahead, be gone with it. Go ahead, be gone with it. Go ahead, be gone with it.
What the heck? What the heck? Salamat po! Salamat!
Salamat talaga po for this reward. It meant a lot to me. And I can't say not more, but salamat talaga po. It meant so much to me kasi the reason why I'm also here po is that po, it's for my dance group po and also for the dream na ako at yung best friend ko po, yung kapatid ko po si Ryan, that we will once have a dance school po, and even though it was short po, for me it was like the longest moment at the moment po sa house po, cause in feeling ko po is hindi ko ma-describe po, but I'm like super emotional at the moment po.
Anong naramdaman mo nung una mo siyang nakita?
Like I like lost everything in my mind. Pero when I saw he was happy, it gave me the energy to dance and just do everything. So happy to see him after all this time and that he's okay, and happy to see that he's happy.
Ryan, maaari ka nang lumabas.
Okay po.
Mickey, paalam ka.
Salamat po! Thanks a lot for dancing with me.
Hello Philippines and hello world! Talaga namang mapapasayaw ang puso nitong si Mickey dahil sa special na surprise sa kanya ni Kuya. Si Ryan nga po ang kanyang best friend na dinala ni Kuya dito sa Pilipinas all the way from Switzerland. O hindi ba? Bongga talaga mag-reward itong si Kuya sa kanyang mga housemates. Maya-maya si Nel, ibang level ang pagsasayaw.
Mickey, may kapalit ka na!
Hip-Hop Dancing King versus Mr. Perfect. Sino ba yung bongga sa dance floor? Yeah!
Hoy, ano ba to? PG na to!
Diyan nga po nagwawakas ang Day 13